What it do? We have returned. This is part 2. I'm continuing to build this GPT. So I've changed the instructions. You will complete, or no, wait, hold on. You will compare bid solicitations with the Federal Acquisition Regulation PDFs. The document has been segmented into different sections. You could pause and read to see how I set up my different PDF sections, but basically, if people key in words, it should only search for that PDF. I also kept in the solicitation portion so that when you upload a solicitation, it'll break it down for you and give you some useful information. So I haven't tested this. I'm going to throw some solicitations in here. Let's do that. These are the same ones as before. So I'm going to do guide me. All right. Simple. Guide me. It's proceeding with the analysis. It found a clause. The quoted section provides an overview but may not capture all specific requirements and conditions. So we're going to copy this and I'm going to type in what is that clause. All right, that clause has been typed in, so let's search it. I typed in what does the FAR documentation state in order to see if it'll access the PDF. Here are certain stipulations, FAR clauses, and extensions of the law executive. Interesting. So I'm going to type in what is SF33. That's a form. I'm going to see if it checks. All right, gave me the full breakdown of Form 33. Looks good. And we're going to do this here. Right or wrong doing. So yeah, as it goes through, it seems to pick up all the little details and nuances. I would still read the actual regulation. I would not just trust this new tool, even though we're at the beginning stages of this new tool. Once the token count gets pushed beyond measure, it'll be able to read the whole FAR without it being broken into pieces. But you have the back end, so you know essentially what you can ask. You can ask for PDFs directly. I'll give you an example. So I said, refer to the FAR types of contracts PDF and explain one to me. And it is thinking. It is doing its thinking. I'm unable to access specific content of the FAR types of contact DPM to provide into. That's no bueno. I have to do some more editing. All right, so it pretty much works. I'm going to do a little bit more critiquing in the instructions, but I will make this public. So if you have GPT Plus, it is going to be public. I'm going to release it so that other people can take it, edit it, use it, do whatever. You can even just replicate the idea. And I will put this link in the video description. I will put this link in the video description so that everyone can have access to this. And I'll probably refine it to the point where I feel like it's good, and then I'll move on to the next project. But I just wanted to share this idea with you. I also have another one for metaphysics that I'm keeping to myself right now. But, you know, it is what it is. I've renamed it from Government Contract Pro to Federal Acquisition Regulation Expert. Fair. It works when it wants to. Sometimes it doesn't like to read its PDFs, but it's public, and I will work on it and get feedback and see if people like this tool. I like this tool. It does really good with solicitations, but not so much with accessing its own PDF files. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description. Enjoy, have fun. If you're a GPT Plus user, it'll be there for your, querying. All right, I'm out of here. Deuces.